Hi, my name is Robert, and welcome to Ignite Website Marketing. Today, I want to talk to you about how to get more Google reviews and why it's important to get Google reviews for your business. So, before I start, please subscribe to the channel. And I got a lot of great stuff coming in 2021, and I just don't want you guys to miss out. And if you see this in 2021 by chance, definitely subscribe because I will continue on releasing more content. I'm going to be doing some kick-ass live streams that will help you ignite your website marketing. So it's important that you get as many positive reviews for your Google business because if you get reviews, it's going to help you rank your listing locally. I just want to I'm going to type in a few key terms. I just want to show you guys what I mean by this. So just give me 1 second. I just got to get the screen share going on right here. And okay, so we're going to share the screen and I'm bringing it in. So I'm looking, if you look at the listing here, I'm typed in like a plumber, this is in my area. And, you see here, so this guy has 4.5 stars, and he has 41 reviews. And look, he's like the top local, 3, as soon as you type in plumber. And then you got this one who doesn't have so many reviews, but is number 3. Let's just do something else here. Let's do dog groomer. So you see, again, these are the top 3 listings. Even though this one has 90 reviews, this one has 61. It still outranks this one, probably because it has more stars. I can't really say how this is doing so well with a 3.6 review. I would probably put another business on there, but it's just weird how that happens. But what I want to emphasize is that it's important that you get your Google reviews. It's because it's the first thing people see when they Google a key term like I just showed you. And when they leave a review for your business, it just shows them what other people have experienced, with your company when they went to you. And it's kind of like a word of mouth, online, which is kind of cool. If you get someone to do these reviews, that's like word of mouth advertising, right? When someone reads your Google review. So you want to definitely, when you're done, if say you are a dog groomer or a plumber, like I just showed in my last 2 examples, and you say someone had just done some business with you, you would definitely want to send them a link to your Google, My Business, so they can leave a review. As long as you know the experience is going to be a positive one. If the customer had a positive experience with you, I, as a web designer and SEO guy, I will, when I get done doing a website for someone and I know I've had a positive experience with one of my clients, I will copy a link and send it to them. I'm going to show you how to do this right now, but I want you guys to take action on this because it's important that you get these reviews to kind of build your social proof for your business. That will help you get more leads. And so I'm just going to show you how I go about it. Once I, get done working with a client here. So I'm going to go back to my screen here for a second, and I'm just going to Google My Business. Just type in. So here's my business, Phoenix Premier Web Design LLC. I'll just click on my listing here. And so what I'll do is I'll pull up the listing, and I'm just gotta find where and I'll just send them out. Normally they have something where you can share it. I'm just trying to find it here. Let me actually go type this in. But normally what I'll do is I'll pull up the listing, and then I will copy a link here. I'm just trying to find it here in the chat. Let me just do this. Try it this way. So I'm going to click on it here. Bear with me, guys. I want to see inside. Let me try clicking on the map. Okay, cool. This is loading up here. Okay, so you see where it says share. I will copy this link, and I will go to my Gmail. And so I just pretty much will email when I'm done working with the client. I'll send them an email asking them to leave a review. And when you have your clients leave the review for your business, you want to tell them to leave a review about like what it was that your company did for them and the experience they had with your company. And if they liked it, refer that to, mention in the review to refer your company for this type of service. So I normally you want to have like good clear reviews, just so like people can, when they read them, they'll be like, okay, they want to read about the experience. What was it like? What did they do? Would you recommend this company? So that's why I tend to ask the clients to do that. So I'll just write an email saying, hey, dear Mr. Joe, even though this is a fake name, it was when you have time, and I just put the review, I put on top of here a link for review, and then so after I do that, I'll just like send it out to them, and then have them, wait a couple days, and I'll see if they're gonna how long if they've left a review, and if not, it's good if say you sent your email out to your the customer to leave a review, and it's been maybe a couple days and you haven't seen the review. Just it's always good to follow up with them. Just don't get too aggressive about this. Say, hey, just how you going, Mr. Joe? I was just wondering if you had a chance to leave the review. If not, can you, as soon as you get time, leave the review for me for my business? And so that's how you can go about getting a Google review. If you wanted to, you can also put a link on your website, or if you have an automated email system, again, copy and paste the link onto the email. Hey, dear value customer, thank you very much. We appreciate your business. Would you please leave a Google review? So there you have it. You had a couple ways you can go about getting Google reviews, and you got to understand why it's good to have a Google review for your business. And then one other thing I recommend, like when you're done with the reviews, is like they have a feature where you can, respond to the reviews. Like, so after you're done reading the review, you can respond. So it's good to like respond to those Google reviews, because this will like help, this will actually show other people that you're a real human being and that you really value that other person's like business and everything. So there you go. So you got the gist of what a Google review is and how to get more Google reviews. I hope you got value in this video. If so, better smash that like button. And like I said earlier, please subscribe below, because I have a lot of great content coming up in 2021. Well, this will probably be released in 2021. So, but definitely want to subscribe if you haven't already to the channel. And I'm ready to give you some more tips that will help you ignite your website marketing. So I will see you next year.